Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it. Introducing our retractable bed step for 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. Our retractable bed step make it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2020 and newer Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. Let's go over the different parts of our retractable bed step assembly to begin with. This is the linkage arm assembly. We've got our main bracket. This is the support bracket. This is the bumper support bracket, and then the bed step itself. We're going to start by taking our main bracket and attaching it to the linkage arm assembly.
Now take two of the 13mm combo bolts and thread them into the top two holes. Then grab the one 13mm bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer and thread it into the bottom hole.
Now, fully tighten these three bolts. Your support bracket is going to install with these two threaded holes right here with two 13mm combo bolts. Hand tighten these combo bolts for the time being.
Next, flip the assembly over so the step is facing you. This will give us access to the bumper support bracket bolt holes.
We're going to take our bumper support bracket, place it over the two threaded holes, and use our last remaining 13mm combo bolts. Once again, hand tightening for the time being. Now we've got our bed step. We're going to take our 4 T-bolts, put 2 in each C-channel. So I've extended the linkage arm out to make the installation of the bed step a little bit easier. We're going to take 1 T-bolt and insert it in each channel like we see here. With the T-bolts inserted in each channel, now we're going to take a flat washer and a lock nut, hand tighten them over the T-bolts for the time being. Now we're at the rear bumper at the driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to start by removing this bumper support bar, starting with this 13mm bolt right here. Next, we're going to remove this 21mm nut.
Just a quick note, we are going to be reusing all the hardware except for the factory bumper support bar.
Now remove these 18mm nuts. So with the bolts and nuts that we've just removed, we've exposed 3 studs and then the 1 threaded hole that we're going to be using for this installation. Our main bracket is going to be installed over these 2 studs. Our support bracket is going to be used for this stud up here, and the bumper support bracket is going to be used for this threaded hole right here.
If you'd like to, you can detach this connector from the frame to give you more room to work with.
Now lift the whole assembly up and onto the studs, making sure the assembly is fully seated.
Start by hand tightening these 18mm nuts. Take on these 2 studs off the bumper frame.
Now go ahead and thread on the 21mm nut on the upper support bracket stud.
Now we're going to take this last 13mm bolt that we removed to attach the bumper support brackets to the bumper.
Next, go back and fully tighten down all the hardware we just installed. Next, fully tighten the 13mm combo bolts for the support bracket facing the outside of the vehicle. Then, fully tighten the 13mm combo bolts for the main support bracket facing the underside of the vehicle. Once the support bracket is tightened down, go ahead and reattach the electrical connector. Once you've adjusted the step pad to where you'd like it, go ahead and fully tighten down the 13mm hardware.
Hey, well that about wraps it up for the installation of our retractable bed step on 2020 and newer Chevy or GMC 2500, 3500 trucks. If you're a fan of that bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these Ion Series illuminated door handles or our painted cab lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.